Overwatch is such a shit game, man. I can't take it anymore. It's always diva, diva, diva. Why is there a Juno that can speed boost her into the backline? With no peel, where is my Kiriko going to Suzu? Next game, next game.
Like, Andy, get the fuck on Overwatch.
Pouring honey on my goat. Hop on, let's go climb out of gold. If I'm Suguru, you know you'd be Gojo. Playing Overwatch, I can't do this shit alone. Please just come home, please just come home. Hey, you the strongest. You so fucking good, you don't even need a pocket. Playing with you make my elo skyrocket. When I'm with you, it's so easy to lock in. Lock in, log off, Andy, just stop it. Keep it cool, play it smart, just use your noggin. If you post onto the wall, I will have your back. I will take my dragon blade and pouring honey on my goat. Hop on, let's go climb out of gold. If I'm Suguru, you know you'd be Gojo. Playing Overwatch, I can't do this shit alone. Please just come home, please just come home. Hop onto the servers, let's get fucking deadly. Trying to carry monkeys, but they're too damn heavy. Blizzard, who do you think we are? Fucking Hercules. But I still don't care, as long as you're with me. I miss you, please come back, Andy. I just wanna play with someone handy. When I bring up Overwatch, these hoes can't stand me. But when I talk to you, it's like you understand me. Please just come back. I need my duo. It's not the same without you.
Andy, come back.